So as you all know, we did a big lawn renovation. We had the dam cleaned out, the edges, the angle on them changed in summer this year so that it's a little bit safer, changed the actual shape of it, and we're really happy with it. It's all full of water at the moment. Obviously the trucks and big excavators made an awful mess of our yard here, so we took the opportunity to put irrigation through this and plant new lawn, and yeah, it's coming out really well considering it's the middle of winter. And then on this side of the fence is our water feature and our backyard, and this is the other lawn that was new. And look, it's still a bit patchy. It's actually got a bit of weed in it at the moment, which I'm going to spray out shortly. But this is very typical of a new lawn. A few teething issues, but get on top of them. It's our grasses, our pansies, and the ferns. We've had really severe frosts here in Cardigan. Was a bit worrying at times how they'd all survive. Mighty windy today. But yeah, look, so far so good. Days we have the big frosts, I turn the overhead sprinklers on first thing in the morning and defrost it, and I think that makes a difference. A bit of a dry cough happening at the moment. Haven't been on the Ronas though, been tested, all right. Oh, goodness.